Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. With the latest move here to the upside, MATIC is currently playing out the bullish scenario. Here in between, I wasn't quite sure because this looked corrective. I thought there is at least a chance that we will come down once more here in the yellow area, which we already touched back here on the 2nd of August at 85 cents. And that indeed this was only sort of an A, B, C, but we could get around that, so we didn't do that, and I think we are now pushing a little bit higher still. Overall, zooming out, MATIC is doing very nice things, is following perfectly my bullish wave count here that we already started down here. Yeah, a lot of you will remember where we originally counted this as a 1, 2, 3, and then we expected the wave 4 down. It was another wave 2. But still, we did focus continuously on the bullish wave count here. Then gave you guys a signal that above 62, 63 cents, we would move at least to 80 cents. That was my target back then. We did massively overshoot that actually. Then we talked about this wave 4 retracement area, which we got into, this wave 5 retracement area or reversal area, which we got into, this yellow area, which we reversed in. So it's all working out really nicely. And overall, we can assume currently that Polygon created here the wave, the wave 1, 2, that all what you can see there in yellow was just the wave 3, that we moved down in a 4, and that we're now in the 5th wave here to the upside. So this is currently what's playing out. So looking at that, it means we are sort of getting close to the end of this move to the upside. Yeah, at least we can assume that it's not going to go on forever. If you think about, oh no, I missed the chance. No, stop that, because it will retrace after the 5th wave in a larger correction indicated here on the roadmap in an probably ABC correction or something that is a bit more complex in a wave 2. But first we need to move up in a wave 5. At the moment I think what we've seen here was probably just a wave 1. We came down in a 2 of the 5. We are now probably in the 3 of the 5, or maybe already completed the wave 3. And if we already completed the wave 3, then we are now in the wave 4 retracement, which should reach the area between the 23.6% fib level and the 50%, which we just touched. So we already touched the minimum retracement at $1.01. Ideal retracement would be 98 cents. But of course, the $1 level will also provide significant support. It's sort of a psychological level. And in a more extreme case, we would retrace back to the 50% fib level at 96 cents. From here, then I would expect us to move higher in a wave 5. Okay. And if we take a look at what would be a suitable target for this 5th wave, well, we need to understand we already fulfilled the requirements for the wave 5 here in red, because we pushed above the wave 3. So it doesn't really need to do much more. So from any point of view, at the moment we have to be on high alert that this could reverse down. But ideal textbook target would be $1.14. That is the 2.618 extension. So I'm just going to highlight that on the chart. And I'm going to move these guys down here. That would be the textbook target. But there is no guarantee that we're actually going to get there. But it is something we can focus on, So after that, I would then expect that retracement down in a larger wave 2. And I'm going to sketch that further out when we really know where the wave 5 is going to peak. But we can make assumptions. And based on these assumptions, let's say we are really only going to go to 114. Then we would expect in a wave 2 to come down into the region between the 50% fib retracement and the 78.6. So between 73 cents and 50 cents basically. I'm going to highlight that on the chart now, but it could also be that we are only going to get to the 38.2% fib level, which is actually at 83 cents. But for now we go with the 50 to 78.6. And if we then see how this move down is working out in terms of its structure, then we can be a bit more specific here as well about the target for that wave 2 correction. And that would then be another area where you know, you can accumulate, of course, if you're interested in that. I'm not telling you to do it. It's just purely your chance and your decision. But I expect it to reverse in this area back to the upside. And then we would get into a wave 3. And I mean, we can calculate the wave 3 target for fun. It's not very specific yet. It's based on assumptions. In a more conservative view, we would get to $1.84 at least in this wave 3 then to the upside. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.